In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new user to Expensify. Expensify is a handy tool that many businesses use for managing expenses. Whether you're a company administrator or a team leader, knowing how to efficiently add users to your workspace is crucial. So, let's dive in and walk through the process step by step. First, you'll want to log into your Expensify account and navigate to your workspace. Think of your workspace as your command center, where all the magic happens. It's here that you manage members, monitor expenses, and more. If you're not already familiar with your workspace, take a moment to explore its layout. This will help you understand where different function buttons are located, making future tasks easier. Once you're in the workspace, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You're looking for the More button. This button is your gateway to additional features and options within Expensify. When you click on it, you'll notice a variety of options appear. One of these options is Invite. By selecting Invite, you're taking the first step towards adding a new user to your workspace. After clicking Invite, you'll be presented with a search bar. This is where you'll enter the details of the user you wish to add. If their information is already saved in Expensify, it will autofill in response to the search. This feature is particularly useful if you're working within a large organization, as it saves time and ensures accuracy when selecting users. With the user selected, your next move is to click Next. This button is typically located towards the bottom of your screen, and it will guide you through the remainder of the process. Clicking Next means you're ready to confirm and send out the invitation, so take a moment to review your selection before proceeding. Make sure you have the right user to avoid any mix-ups. Finally, you reach the invitation stage. Here, the Invite button is your last milestone. By clicking Invite, you're officially extending an invitation to the new user, allowing them to join your workspace. It's as simple as that. Once they've accepted the invitation, they'll become a part of your team, able to interact with and contribute to your expense reports. And there you have it, a complete walkthrough of adding a user to your Expensify workspace. Remember, practice makes perfect, and with just a few steps, you can make sure your team has all the right tools to manage expenses efficiently. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful guides on getting the most out of your business tools.